Hi guys, I'm back at Google now again. So I'm going to go on to creating the blog, and again I'm going to do these in short 5 minute steps for each part of it. So the feedback I'm getting is that's the best way to go. So I'm up here, I'm logged in, but now instead of going to my Drive or something like that again, I'm going to scroll down till I see the blogger. So this time I want to come in and create a blog. Now, and I'm going to say got it there. Now you can have many blogs, and as you can see, I have a social and digital media blog there. So that was just one that I set up as a test. And if I want to view the blog, I can come over here and have a look at it. And you can see there's nothing in it. It was just a blank template that I created. So this is what the back end looks like, and this is what the front end looks like. And then you add all of your pages in the back end from down here, or you can just simply post like you would on Facebook. But I like creating pages rather than post material, but you can do both. It doesn't really matter. So if I wanted to do a post here, I could click on new post. Always look for the orange buttons. I'll come in here and I can say hello, and then come down here like a Word document or a Google Doc. I'm just going to say hello everyone. This is a test site, and then maybe put in welcome there. Okay, so very much like Microsoft Word. If I want to change the size of the text, I highlight it. I can choose a different font. You can see your font list is limited, and I can do the largest, and I can apply bold, italic, underline. Or I can change the color. Okay, I might do purple. Or I could just simply choose heading, subheading, minor headings. Maybe I'll just go with heading. Okay, so then that's a post. When I have my post done, I'm going to click on publish, just so you can see and me adding something on it. And I'm going to press F5 to update. Okay, and there you go. Hello, welcome everyone. This is a test site. So you can see I've just added that. So I'm going to close that down. So what I want to do here is I want to create a new blog. So the very first time you come in, you will see create new blog button sitting over the side of the screen. But once you have one blog, that option is gone. So I'm going to come over here and under the social digital media and create new blog. But you should see this button here as a button if this is your first time in. So this one I'm going to call tourism, Tuam tourism. Okay, we could do Galway tourism either, but we'll stick with Tuam for the moment. Tuam tourism. Okay, so then I could give it a blog address. I could call it Tuam TM, and it automatically gives it an extension of .blogspot.com, which is fine. That'll do me. And then I have all of these nice themes. So I can start off with a theme and then go down and change it or build it or whatever. So seeing as we're doing a tourism blog, maybe we will go with travel. Now I might change that later on. It's quite dark. I don't really like dark backgrounds. I'm more about this type of a background. I quite like those black and white backgrounds. But seeing as we've got a travel theme, we'll create the blog with the travel theme, and then we can see how it looks in a little while. So I'm creating the blog now. So it just takes a minute. Okay, and now you can see my blog has Tuam tourism. Okay, so if I click on the drop down arrow, now I've got two blogs. Okay, so I'm going to do Tuam tourism. Now, my recording is going to end in 15 seconds here, so that's fine. So I'm just going to let that run down, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so you try this and I'll come